How to tag someone on Instagram Reels after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you already posted your Instagram Reel but forgot to tag? Then you're in the right place. Don't worry, let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on the reel where you want to tag someone, and then you'll see three dots on the top right. Tap on it and then tap on edit. Now here you'll find tag people. Tap on it and then tap on the plus icon to tag people, and now search for the user whom you want to tag and then tap on it, and then there you can see the name has appeared under tags. Hit done and hit done again. And now you can see a small tag appear on the left hand side of the reel. Tap on it and then you can see the person has been tagged. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.